Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. What I'm coming to you tonight is a bargain bin wig. I'm going to review a bargain bin wig. Yes, I may have gotten this wig for 50 cents, $1, $2, $4, $6, $8, and then one of the days they are closed. So I may have gotten this wig for one of those prices. So let me show you the bargain bin wig. And I did show this wig in one of my hauls. So this is the wig here. I did wash it. And this wig does have a label in it, but it doesn't say where it's from. It is a 100% synthetic hair, and it does not have a label showing who it's made by or where from. So it does have a comb in the front, in the top, and it has a comb in the back. And this is a lace wig. I have not cut the lace off because I wanted to show you all what it is. Okay, this is a lace wig. And see the parting right there. Since I have a beige cap, I don't think I'm going to put any type of concealer or powder in it. So this very curly, wavy wig is very soft after I washed it. Okay, I don't know how many inches is this. It's probably about maybe 20 inches long, 18 to 20 inches long. I don't usually wear long wigs, but a price like this, you couldn't beat it. And you guys, I do have new wigs that I've gotten from different hair shops, but I haven't any, reviews on them yet. I have new wigs. So I like to get wigs that I can restyle or, make it come to life. So I do have new wigs that I have to get out the way. And I bought with my own money. Nobody sent me anything to do a review on. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut the lace. So I've cut the lace off. So let me go ahead and place the wig on my head. I don't use no type of glue or anything on my hair because I don't want the glue to, pull out my edges. So I got the ear tabs right here at my temple. And y'all, I don't know if this wig has baby hairs. No, it doesn't have baby hairs, but you can make baby hairs from your lace wigs. So this is what she's looking like on me, and this is the parting. Okay, that's the parting. So let me put some mousse on it. It is by Herbal Essence. It is a totally twisted curl boosting mousse. And I bought this mousse from Walmart. Okay. will be doing some more natural hair videos. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and hanging in there with me. Thank you so much. So this is what it's looking like. Just a little shedding. Just a little shedding, if you can see that. Okay. Put some in the back. Looks like it's coming to life. Okay, and I want to maybe comb it out a little bit. I wish I knew what the make of this wig is. So if y'all have any idea, any clue what this wig, well, the name of this wig, just list it down below, because I don't have a clue. Don't have a clue. So y'all, let me know what you think about the Bargain Bin wig. This is where I got it from, Bargain Bin wig, and I promised you guys that I was going to do a review on it, you know, do a tutorial or something, or showing you guys how it looks on my head now that I have makeup on. Okay. This is her, and I don't know if you can see the back of the wig. Let me stand up on this ladder so I can show y'all the length. That's the length of the wig. Okay. Right at the tip of my butt. Okay. That's the length of the wig. Can you tell me if she's about 18, 20 inches long or 22, 25 inches long? Let me know. From the top of the head to your bottom. So thank you all so much for watching, and there will be more wig reviews, and like I said earlier, I'm going to come back and do my natural hair you know, tutorial, you know, I don't know, a style or something. And just stay tuned, come back, because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.